Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a pufferfish. First, let's draw a circle or an oval for the body, and then the fin at the back, at the top, and on the side of the pufferfish. Draw the pattern of the fin, and then the eyes, two eyes. The ones on the right is slightly bigger, and then make it sparkle. Just draw two small circles inside, and the mouth like an O or a circle. Then the spikes, of course. You can draw as many spikes as you want, or just few of them, it doesn't matter. Let's decorate it with bubbles. Again, you can draw as many bubbles as you want. Then draw crescent shapes inside each bubble to make it like it's round and shiny. Now it's done and we are ready to color. I'm gonna color the pufferfish orange and yellow. For the fin, it's orange, dark orange. And then we're gonna spirit the body, the top and the bottom, with orange color or light orange. And then we color the top of the body orange. Or you can always use yellow for the top of the body and let the bottom of the body white. But for me, I'm gonna color the bottom of the body yellow. Remember, when you spirit it, use curved line. Now, we're gonna color the eyes and the mouth. The mouth is red and the eyes black. The bubbles blue, any shades of blue. It's done. Oops, I forgot the rosy cheeks. You can always add the rosy cheeks or just let it be. I think it's cuter with rosy cheeks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.